Today we're going to be exploring another garden experiment. This is my living mulch bed. So initially from right here to where this bamboo is, we took a hoe and just lightly broke up the soil and mixed the weeds into it. And then it looked clear, at the beginning. And then I put some straw down at first when I planted these. But this is the idea of a living mulch system. And it's funny because out of everywhere I planted these things, even though the weeds were taking over most of this bed, this is how most of the bed looks right here. It's clover. Just before I started doing this today. So this is what I'm doing. I'm sculpting some trenches around here, but also I'm just taking this sickle, and this is a natural way to fertilize. You don't need any synthetic fertilizers, and it also gets rid of your weed problems. So, which they're not really the problem. There's a solution in this scenario. So if you notice, this looks a lot different, like with this pepper right here and the squash whatnot, then right here where it's same ground, but right here I didn't chop the weeds yet. And what you do, let me show you, to make the living mulch is you scrape the top of the soil, and over time this makes green manure from the plants decomposing. And believe it or not, Korea is one of the longest surviving natural agriculture groups in the world that kept their practices. This is one of the things that you can see people do. They'll just cut the weeds, put it around the base of like fruit trees, grow fruit trees that way. But what I did basically, I took dirt and I packed down on top of the weeds that I just cut and laid down. Then eventually you get ground that looks like this, which will get ate up by worms and decay and make